How to reset Fantasy Premier League password. The very first thing you want to do is to head over to your application Fantasy Premier League. Once you are in here, enter your login credential, as in your email address and the password, and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, it will land you on this page. Now what you want to do is head over to More at the bottom right corner of the screen. It will open up your settings. Inside settings, head over to Manage Account and then move into Account Security. The option of Update Password will be visible to you. Click on it. It will land you on the page where you'll be able to reset your password. First of all, you have to enter the old password that you have created. And then in the New Password section, you have to create a new password for your account. Also, the password you create must include at least 8 characters, a mix of uppercase and lowercase characters, at least one number, and one special character. Once you have entered your new password, tap on Update Password and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can reset password on Fantasy Premier League. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.